Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you about how to upload an image to web page and display it using JavaScript. Let's begin. First of all, I am created a folder using in three images. You can create a folder, any folder in you can create any folder and with three images. I'm going to open this folder using VS Code. I open this folder. You can open this folder by using open folder and select the folder. I open the folder. Now I'm creating a file inside this folder like index.html file. Now we can include the our basic tags using hyphen using exclamation mark. You can give the title as image upload. In body I'm using like input tag to get the image from the user. For that I'm typing a type equal to file and which accepts the image slash you should specify the extension of the image. um specifying like png like which is a extension of the image portable network graphics, you can say that. Now image slash jpg, it is also another format of the image. Now I'm closing this tag and now I'm reopening that folder. Now you can see in the index file is created. Now you can see the button is created with the no file chosen, which is like you can choose a file by clicking this button. It is automatically created by HTML. Now we should handle this image by using like JavaScript. Also I'm using another div tag for I'm using a div tag. You can shortly you can use like dot, creating a div tag, display image. I'm creating enter. This is for like to display the image. And also I'm using the link tag with relation means relation style sheet and specifying that for style sheet name. Now we can create here the style sheet styles.css. Now we should link that file styles.css. And also we can also create a file for JavaScript. You can create like a main.js. Now I'm linking this main.js below this body tag. uh, it can be linked by using script tag. It should specify the source like name of the file main.js. Now the styles external css and javascript files are linked. External css and javascript are linked in html. uh, now we can get into styles. First we can this apply the styles for the body. For body you can use the and flex fix direction equal to column. Now we should place it in center content. And also you can use like align items center. You can see this aligned in center. By removing this you also can see this. Now we should place it in center. It can be achieved by using under height equal to 100 vh means viewport height. You can see that this can see it is placed in center. And also I'm giving a gap equal to 10 pixels. Now we can select this display element and I'm going to give the border for this image like border 10 pixels solid, being black. See a black box is created. Specify the can before that we can specify the height equal to we can give 7, width equal to 1500 pixels. Now we can see a box is created. A border is created for first of all. I'm ex why I'm created this border because for by uploading this image he should display it in this division tag in this layer. For that I'm created this border, black border. We should after uploading the image we should display it here. For that I'm created this black border. This height and width can be adjusted by using the resolution of the image. Now I'm selecting this input tag. I'm giving the ID for this tag. I'm giving like image input. I'm giving this image input as this ID and selecting this image input by hash image input. I'm increasing the font size like 50 pixels. Now you can see the button is increased size. Now it is suitable. Now you can it is our main. Now we can proceed with our JavaScript where you can handle the where you can get the image from the user and display it. The full functionality is we're going to do in JavaScript. You can create a variable image. It's nothing but this it is like image input document dot get element by id. The id is image input and another variable this image display image document dot query selector. You should select this disp image. I'm specifying the dot and because it is class and specifying the name of the tag, name of the class. Name of the class is disp image and creating a new variable which is for upload image. We created the three variables image which is handle the image input, display image which handles the division tag. Now we should write the function. Now we should write the function for the image variable. I'm adding this add event listener. Add event listener. Add event listener is a function in JavaScript which takes the event from the user and calls the function for that event. We can event is like clicking, changing like event. We should call the function for that event. I'm like specifying that event like change. For that event I'm calling a function. It is nothing but it's a arrow function. Say this function I'm getting a reader. Reader means is file reader, which is a class in JavaScript. Just used to handle new file reader. Is used to handle the events related to files. We can read using this class file reader. Now we should add an another event listener to this division tag, which is the display image dot add event listener load load. Can use like this function like function. After loading the image you should call this function. You should save it in a upload image equal to reader dot result. reader result, which is a method in this file reader which stores the image in upload image after reading the image. Now we should display it by using this image dot display image is like this image dot. You can see here this image is a division tag with some border and some height and width. Now we should get after getting the image we should display it in this division tag. The division tag is named like this image division tag dot style dot background image background image equal to we should use like backtick and url equal to dollar symbol and specify the variable here. That variable is like upload upload image. It's a variable here. I am closing this url. This display the image in background image of this style tag of this display image. We should after getting the file we should pick we are going to display it in it is image division tag. Also we should add like if files and files of 0. Files is nothing but files is defined as uh, the select sorry image dot file. This image dot file. Files is a method which uh, which which contains a series of files. I'm mentioning here because it should contain anything. It should not be a null and it should not be a null object and 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 the files square bracket 0 means it selects the first file from the list of files selected from the user. The both condition must be true in order to enter this reader dot read as data url. Data url is a method reader class. You should read the image like file dot image files. It's a series of files. From the series of files, it selects the index 0. Index 0 means first file selected by the user. Read as data URL means it's the reads the file content. Now we can see whether it is working or not. One small change here, we should specify like reader dot add event listener. We should add the event listener for this reader instance, and also we can use like this function also arrow function also. Now we can refresh and choose a file. You can see the file is uploaded in web page. You can see here it is uploaded. Now we can choose any file as we like. For this type of file we should adjust its width. Can now we can see I'm adjusting this width like increasing this and using here. Now we can see it is fit in the border. Again now we can see it is uploaded into the web page. Now the image is uploaded using this function. Image dot files means the files should not be null. The user should select any minimum one file in order to use this. And also it selects the first queue. It is you can refer as queue. It selects the first file selected by the user. The both the condition must be true in order to use this read as data URL. It select the first file from the list of file selected by the user. You can see it in full screen. Now again I'm choosing the file. I'm refreshing and choosing the file. Now we should choose a file. I'm choosing the file. Now you can see the file is uploaded into the web page. That's all about this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you. Thank you.